where the heat is relentless and air conditioning is luxury. Finding an affordable and sustainable cooling solution is crucial. That's our starting point. What if we could create a low-cost, energy-efficient solution that not only cools the air but also reduce and improve the indoor environment? Introducing our latest innovation, the DIY air cooler and air aroma diffuser. Problem statement. Rising global temperature combined with the rising cost of the electricity have left millions with limited or no access to cooling. Traditional air conditioning units are expensive to buy, install and maintain. Plus, they consume a huge amount of electricity, sometimes they're not always available in every region. Our goal was simple but ambitious, to design a simple, affordable and eco-friendly system that anyone can build and use anywhere. Let us talk about our innovation, what we built. Our solution combines evaporative cooling with thermoelectric cooling by using a Peltier module and integrates an aroma diffuser to enhance indoor air quality. Here's a quick breakdown for our key components. A mist maker creates a fine mist to cool and humidify the air. A Peltier module pulls heat from the air using thermoelectric cooling. A heat sink and fan. Reuse from an old PC dissipates excess heat. A temperature controller and thermocouple. Optimize performance. A pump circulates water continuously. And finally, we add essential oil to act as an aroma diffuser, turning the cooler into a calming and refreshing environment enhancer. Hi, I would like to explain how this system works. This system works in three main stages. Evaporative cooling, based on natural, reduce temperature throughout natural evaporation. Peltier cooling, the module adjusts cooling by transferring heat away from the air. Aroma diffuser, essential oils are diffused into air, promoting better mood and relaxation. Together, this system offers a multifunctional device, cooling, air quality, and well-being all in one. Then I explain on the result. We conduct control testing to evaluate our device performance. Without ice, we saw 29% drop in temperature within 1 hour. When we add 1 packet of ice cube, the cooling improved significantly up to a 40% temperature reduction. This confirms that our system works efficiently and reliably and can be enhanced with basic household materials. Explain on this beneficial of this innovation. Our DIY air cooler and air aroma diffuser is affordable, made using accessible, low-cost materials. Eco-friendly, uses low power, minimal waste and promotes upcycling. Scalable, can adapted for homes, classrooms, small office or even emergency shelters. Customizable, users can adjust temperature, airflow and air aroma based on personal comfort. Vision and impact. We believe this innovation can create real change. By putting cooling power in the hands of the people, literally we help communities become more resilient to climate change, less reliant on the grid and more empowered to take control of their comfort. This isn't just a DIY project, it's a step toward democratizing sustainable technology. Finally, let me It's a proof of what's possible when innovation meets real world problems. Thank you for your time, and we invite you to imagine the possibilities if this technology reaches more homes, classrooms, communities around the world.